Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages or in notes, whatever you want to. Simply have this keyboard on the screen, and all we have to do right now is to simply enter the settings. What have I done? We have to tap on this let's say keyboard and world icon. So let's tap on it, and as you can see it will open the settings. So let's enter the settings itself. Now let's tap on languages, and as you can see here we've got two different English languages added, which is quite strange. So let me untick this option, and actually at the very beginning I will show you how to remove the languages, but no worries, I will simply repeat it later. So you just have to tap on this trash bin icon. Okay, let me focus. Here we've got on the languages. So here we've got the list of all available languages added from which we can choose. So all we have to do right now is to simply find the language we'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick something graphical in order to show you the actual difference between the languages. So let me pick maybe Greek. So let's tap on this plus icon, and as you can see it immediately disappears from this list because it appears at the very top in this added languages section. So we've got the Greek, we've got English. We can go back to the keyboard itself. Let's open the keyboard, and as you can see actually first of all the spacebar. So the spacebar is not empty. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, so this time Greek, and we've got also the language key, which will allow us to basically change the language. So right now I am typing Greek, and after tapping on the After tapping on this language key, we can easily switch to English one. And let's tap again. We've got Greek one and English. So basically that's all. This is how to add the language to a keyboard. And now let me show you again how to remove it, because sometimes you do not really need two different languages added. So let's go back to the settings again, to the languages, and let's take a look at these added languages. Both of them are marked, which means that they are applied to a keyboard. Of course, if you want to, you can let's say hide one of those added languages, but do not remove it just by unticking it, just like that. So it won't be displayed in the keyboard. Let's check, because I don't want to lie. So here we've got English, and after tapping on the language key, actually nothing happens because it cannot be changed because the Greek is hidden. What have I done? Okay, so let's enter the settings. And if you want to remove it completely, so you know that you won't need it anymore, just tap on the trash bin icon next to it, and as you can see it will be immediately removed. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that again we cannot tap on the language key, but still on the spacebar we've got the name of the language. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your HUAWEI P50 Pocket. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.